So hello everyone, welcome to YourPedia platform. So this video is related to Airport Authority of India ATC exam preparation related module launched by YourPedia. The live classes for the same is starting from 10th of April. Yes, from tomorrow we are starting the live classes. So like you know the procedure that whenever YourPedia launches any module, then we give the option to you to call to the YourPedia executive or YourPedia mentors, or you can fill the Google form where you can ask your queries, whatever you will be having related to the timing, related to the mentors, whatever query you will be having, you can ask to the executive, and you can fill the Google form related to that also. So there are so many common queries are there. In this video I am going to cover all those queries, whatever you will be having before joining the module. After watching this video, I would say that more or less more than 95% of your queries will be resolved. But still, if you were having more queries after this video also, you can directly call me also. This contact number is mine, or you can fill the Google form which is attached in the description of this video, and you can also reach out to us. You can also join one free WhatsApp group. The link of the same is also provided in the description of this video, where students are interacting with the mentors, with us also, where you can also ask your query, and we are keep on sharing some informative videos over there. Let us suppose the last year recording, last exams recordings also, like some videos are also being already being shared over there, so that you can get access to that free WhatsApp group. No doubt the paid WhatsApp group will be different. The candidates who will join to this particular module, you can get access to the paid module where you will get all the classes schedule, all the links, everything whatever is required to prepare for this exam, you are going to get there. So without wasting time, so let's move to the part where you will be provided all the queries, general queries which is related to this particular exam. So first of all, sir, when the live classes are starting, from 10th of April we are starting the live classes. It will be a fresh live classes, new batch. All 6 topics covered in detail in live and recorded class. What is the meaning of this? So firstly, you will have to go for the live session. If you are missing the live classes, then obviously you are going to get the recording of those classes. Next, a live classes course duration, we have kept it to 50 days. We have planned it for the 50 days. In a span of 15 days, we are going to cover each and every topic, all the 6 topics in detail. Theory and question practice will be covered, and the total duration, if you have gone through the panel discussion of YourPedia related to this particular exam, the total duration of the module is near to 180 to 200 hours. So if you divide it 200 by 50 days, so roughly you will be having daily 4-hour classes. And timing of the classes is also very important, that it is going to be 5 p.m. onwards. For the next 1 week, means tomorrow is Thursday, from Thursday to Thursday, one complete week schedule I already shared in the free WhatsApp group. You can join there and you can get access to that schedule also. So parallelly, more or less 3 to 4 subjects will go parallel, and you should also do that because this is you have limited time, and obviously when you will go into the exam, then parallel you have to prepare the 6 subjects. So that is the reason why we are doing it, that parallelly we will go for the multiple subjects. Next is, after the live classes you will get the recording and the PDF notes. Query of so many students, so will we get the PDF or that or not of the classes? Yeah, will get the PDF notes, and you can download that and you can take the printout of that also. After that, if you join to the package 1, which is the live and recorded batch module, so you will get immediate access to last year module, the last module which we have covered for this AAI ATC exam for which held in December 2023. You are going to access immediately to that complete module, which is near to again 180 hours. Practice question PDF, all the topics you will get in that, which will include roughly more than 2000 questions. As of now I have added over there the last batch practice questions PDF only, but we have started updating those PDF also, right? So you will get the solutions, those video PDF, where you will get 2000 plus very good practice question for this particular exam for all the 6 topics. Online test series will also be provided. So as of now, the last batch test what we have conducted over there, I have already added, but more tests you will keep on getting by the time for the all the 6 topics subject wise, as well as a full mock will also be added over there. So all options are available: separate module for live plus recorded module, only recorded module of last batch. This batch only recorded module is not available, so you will get only recorded module of last batch only. I am going to come to that point also. Subject wise also you can go. So I want only physics, I want only mathematics, so I want only physics, math, English combination. You can go for that, right? So about the demo, sufficient videos are available on the YourPedia YouTube channel. Just type on the YouTube AI ATC YourPedia. You will find sufficient number of lectures over there on the YouTube channel where we can get the idea that how we are teaching for this particular exam. Validity of the module will be 6 months except some of the packages. So there are the 3 important packages over here. First one, this is a fresh batch. This is a fresh batch and the language for this is going to be only English, especially the South Indian students or in fact any student who can join for this particular batch, and this will be the fresh batch. This will be a fresh batch. All details are provided over here. What you are going to get in this particular batch, you are going to get all information when you click on this view details, right? Pricing, this is kept over here, new student and old student. Now about these 2 batches. So these 2 batches are the recorded 2024 batch, means recording of the last year batch. New fresh batch recording you are not going to get in this particular module. So many people are asking, sir, in which module we go? We go for the live, we go for the this recorded last batch recording. What is the difference for that? See, difference is syllabus is same, content is same, teachers are also more or less same, but definitely you know this thing that there is always a scope of improvement. So that improvement is going to be get in the fresh batch only, right? So this is the difference between these. If I would have been at your place, I would have definitely gone for the live batch where you can get interaction with the mentors also, and where you will be having the fresh content also as per the requirement of this exam, because last year there are so many changes happened in various subjects. Like in the physics +1 they have added more, in the English reading comprehension they have added. So likewise, so that you are going to get updates in the fresh batch only. So it will be up to you. And this is the English batch, means there are so many students who want the explanation in bilingual English, right? Content, writing, notes, everything will be in English only, but only the explanation part will be in the bilingual part. They will say energy as energy, they will not say energy as urja. So this is the difference, because there are so many BSc students are there who have basically graduated, done BSc in Hindi language. So they want everything in the Hindi written also and explanation also in the Hindi. Friends, this batch is not for you. It will be up to you. If you can understand the English notes, then you can go for this particular batch. Then there are some special batches also. If you want combination of physics, math, English, recorded last batch only, again this also you can get the access. Acha, there are so many doubts, sir, in these special batches will we get access to the complete test series? Definitely yes, we are going to get access to the complete test series in these 3 batches also, in these 3 modules also, right? So this is for only physics, math, English, this is for only physics, this is for only mathematics. Definitely yes, in these 2 modules you will get the validity of 3 months. Remaining all 4 batches modules you will get validity of the 6 months. So these are the interaction with the some of the selected candidates. Some more we will also put on the website, on this YourPedia YouTube channel. Keep yourself updated over there. You will in touch with the YourPedia YouTube platform. And friends, you know this thing that YourPedia every year, every time launches the module for the Airport Authority. Right from the this 2024, this is the 5th time we are basically starting this batch, and we have produced sufficient number of selections for that, and the content is the best content, and we call this as a tailor-made module for this particular exam requirement. So the only YourPedia is the platform who provide the tailor-made module as per the requirement of this exam. See, YourPedia is a module which will provide you, YourPedia is a platform which will provide you exactly as per the requirement of the exam. We have covered all these points in the panel discussion also, that we do not provide you the very less content, we do not provide you the very high, very big content. It is not like that. We provide you the sufficient content by which you can easily crack this particular exam. That is very important for all of you, because so many candidates of you are also working, right? So that's it from my side. If after watching this video still if you are having any query, you can call me directly, or you can directly access the content. You can just go to the website and directly you can access from there. You can directly join from there only, right everyone? Thank you and all the best to all of you.